Right now we're here on about 3,000 meters in altitude. And you see all those volcanoes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You see, wow, 50 volcanoes from here. This is a rough road. Right now we're here on about 3,000 meters in altitude. And you see all those volcanoes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You see, wow, 50 volcanoes from here. And with the snow up there, there must be around 5,000, 5,500 meters. Quite a wind here. Woo! Look at that view! 15 volcanoes! 16 in the very back, another one! Unbelievable! Wow! Wow, 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 wow!
Esta vez yo me fui, pero vos me dejaste ir. Esta vez yo me fui, amor, y vos me dejaste ir. No sabemos qué pasó, no sabiendo quién falló. Yo ya me fui de ahí, amor.
Everything is closed, so we take another way. What did I do? Too fast. Huh? Look at that! Wow! There you see the street to Calama in the very back. And here's a part of the Valley of the Moon. We're here about 2,500 meters altitude, and around the corner down in the valley there should be San Pedro de Atacama. Let's have a look. Look at that! You see it from the back side. There was the stop, there is the street. And yeah, and over there you see some houses over there. This is the entry to the Valle de la Luna. It's in the back. We saw from the top. You saw where I was flying with the drone. But yeah, but it's closed. You're allowed to go in when you're fully vaccinated. That makes sense. The virus, that's where it comes from. It comes from the desert.
From the desert.
Anyway, it's closed, so welcome to San Pedro de Atacama. Beautiful.